If this has found you on November 19th, then this message is for you. This is your synchronicity from Spirit. And I know it's going to resonate for you. But before I tell you the message, I want to give a huge message to everyone watching this that please make sure you're following the correct account. Okay, there are so many scammers. I will never reach out. My TikTok has over 500,000 followers. Instagram has over 300,000 followers. YouTube has over 40,000 followers. And my Facebook has 6,000 followers. If you go to the link in my profile, you will see all the links to my social media to make sure you are following the correct one. And remember, I never reach out. Now, with that being said, let's get into the message. I was doing yoga, and of course, I get like the best insights when I'm doing yoga. I was in my Shavasana, and I was shown something so simple. And, you know, I was shown a Christmas tree, okay? And I was shown me decorating my Christmas tree with my kids, and I was shown candy canes, and we were all like eating the candy canes. And then I was told the first thing your mind would go to is, oh my gosh, the kids are gonna be hyper from the sugar, or oh my gosh, we're gonna have to brush our teeth good tonight because cavities. And then I was told, you are not fully in the moment. You're not fully in that present moment, and you're missing out on joy because you're anticipating the next thing happening. And I realized Spirit used this example to give a bigger message to you guys. And that message is, you're missing out on joy when at whatever moment you're in. Some of you guys are missing out on the wholeness, the completeness that the moment can give you because you're anticipating the next thing. Let's say, Thanksgiving's coming up. Let's say that you want a piece of pie, but you're like, I want to eat that piece of pie. So you decide to eat it. But as you're eating it, you start feeling guilty. You're like, this is not good for my diet. This is not good for my waistline. This is not good for my health, whatever it may be. You've decided to eat that piece of pie, but you're missing out on the joy of eating the pie in that moment because of maybe a consequence that you don't want to face, right? Spirit's saying, if you're going to decide to eat the pie, enjoy all of that pie. Enjoy every bite of that pie. And this goes for anything in life. If you decide to do something, you better do it fully and completely and enjoy and be completely immersed in that now moment, because all we have is now. And when you can be completely in your now moment, you become closer to God. So that's what you need to know. That's what the message was. I hope it resonated. I know that a lot of us need to hear this, especially with the holidays coming up. Be in your moment. Be completely immersed in every moment that you take yourself to, okay? I hope this resonates. Make sure to follow me, and I'll see you guys next time. Also, if you like this sweater, it's in the TikTok shop.